Welcome to Tactical Trove, the ultimate guide for all your preparedness needs. Today, we embark on an exciting journey as we delve into the realm of bug-out bag essentials, what to pack for every scenario. Whether you find yourself in the midst of a natural disaster, facing a sudden evacuation, or encountering any other unforeseen emergency, having a well-prepared bug-out bag can truly be a game changer. So, without further ado, let us immerse ourselves in this essential knowledge. As you begin the process of assembling your bug-out bag, the first item on your checklist should be the bag itself. It is crucial to select a backpack that is not only durable but also waterproof. This will ensure that your essentials remain safe and dry, even in the most challenging conditions. Additionally, look for a backpack with comfortable shoulder straps, as this will significantly ease the burden of carrying your bug-out bag for extended periods. Opting for a backpack with multiple compartments is another wise decision, as it allows for efficient organization of your supplies. Now, let us explore the fundamental items that should always find a place in your bug-out bag. Regardless of the situation, we cannot stress enough the importance of water. It is the elixir of life and an absolute necessity for survival. Ensure that you pack an adequate supply of water in your bug-out bag, taking into account the duration you may need to rely on it. Consider portable water filtration systems or purification tablets as well, as they can be invaluable in situations where clean water sources are scarce. Moving on from water, let's discuss the significance of sustenance. Food is the fuel that keeps our bodies running, and during times of crisis, it becomes even more crucial. Pack lightweight, non-perishable food items in your bug-out bag, such as energy bars, dried fruits, and canned goods. Ensure that these items have a long shelf life and are nutritionally balanced. Don't forget to periodically check and rotate your food supplies to keep them fresh and ready for consumption. Next on our list of bug-out bag essentials is clothing. When selecting clothing items, focus on versatility and functionality. Pack durable and weather-appropriate clothing that can withstand various conditions. Include items such as moisture-wicking t-shirts, thermal layers, sturdy pants, and waterproof outerwear. Don't forget to pack extra undergarments, socks, and a sturdy pair of boots. Remember, your clothing choices should provide comfort, protection, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Another critical item to include in your bug-out bag is a reliable and multipurpose toolkit. Having a compact toolkit that includes essentials such as a knife, multi-tool, flashlight, duct tape, and a fire starter can prove invaluable in various situations. These tools can assist you in everything from basic repairs to creating shelter and starting a fire for warmth and cooking. Furthermore, it is essential to consider your personal hygiene and sanitation needs. Pack travel-sized toiletries, including toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, wet wipes, and hand sanitizer. These items will help you maintain cleanliness and prevent the spread of germs, even in challenging situations. Additionally, ensure that you have a comprehensive first aid kit in your bug-out bag. This kit should include essential medical supplies such as bandages, antiseptic ointments, pain relievers, a tourniquet, chest seals, and any necessary prescription medications. Familiarize yourself with the items in your first aid kit and acquire the knowledge to use them effectively. Last but certainly not least, don't forget to include essential documents and communication devices in your bug-out bag. Keep copies of important documents, such as identification cards, passports, medical records, and insurance information. Additionally, pack a portable charger for your cell phone, a battery-powered radio, and spare batteries. These items will keep you connected to the outside world and provide essential information during times of crisis. In conclusion, a well-prepared bug-out bag is a lifeline during emergencies. By carefully selecting the right backpack and packing it with the essential items mentioned above, you significantly increase your chances of survival and comfort in any scenario. Remember to periodically review and update your bug-out bag to ensure its contents remain relevant and in good condition. Stay prepared, stay vigilant, and may you always be ready to conquer any challenge that comes your way.